What's up, guys? Garage day, but we're in a different garage today. We're with Billy, and we are gonna hopefully fix this KFX. We need to change the piston in the cylinder. Got a fresh piston. He sent the cylinder out, got that done. He's got a brand new harness. What else? You got a coil too?
Everything electrical.
Brand new coil, brand new spark plug. So he's been pushing coolant out. So we're thinking that's just the head gasket in the piston. It overheated a couple times, and then we're still having an issue. Pretty sure it's electrical with a quad. Just it's breaking up like instantly. We thought it was the fuel pump. We tried messing with that last weekend, no luck. So hopefully the new harness fixes that. We didn't really see anything that noticeable in this harness. There was a couple spots I saw with wires rubbed through, but it doesn't look like anything that may be causing the issue. I saw one over here. That's probably tough to see. There's a little copper showing there. There's a couple more rubbed through, but no copper showing. So hopefully we can get to the bottom of it and get this thing running tip-top shape so Bill can have some fun, because he's a big chicken. He doesn't want to ride that thing right there. So let's get this thing torn apart. All right, guys, we got this thing wrapped up. Unfortunately, we can't start it today. Bill's going to do the harness, so he's going to work on that maybe tomorrow. New piston, new cylinder, new spark plug, new coil, new harness. Hopefully that does the trick. If you guys are wondering, you got to use new head studs when you do the top end, and those are torqued down to 44 foot-pounds. And then the cam cap bolts are torqued down to 106 inch-pounds. The head bolts you want to do in a crisscross pattern, and the cam caps are numbered 1 through 8, so you just follow that, torque them down. I usually go in like 2 stages, go about halfway and then finish them off, and that's pretty much it. So we'll have to see. Fingers crossed this thing stops giving Bill a giant headache. He said if it does again, he's gonna buy a Yamaha. So hopefully, I mean, I threw a rubber glove. I threw a rubber glove inside the cylinder, so it'll choke it out and not run. So he'll get a Yamaha. So that could be a good thing. But no, hopefully it's good. So if not, maybe he may have to switch out the ECU. That could be pretty much it as far as things he switched. We checked this wire years ago when I had my KFX. This one got nicked up really bad under here, and that was causing pretty much the same issue as Bill's, but he checked that, said it was good. So we will see what happens, guys. We'll give you an update when this thing gets fired up. All right, guys, we just got back home from Bill's, and we had a package. And well, we had 2 packages. One, I know what this is. This is for that, which we're not going to show you guys yet, but we had this. Check it out, guys. So we had this, and no idea what this is, but the name looks familiar, so I do have a small idea. We're going to open this up, show you guys what it is. So BGR, Brian.goffredo. I had actually talked to him not too long ago. He makes engine stands. So I'm guessing he sent me one. Yep, that's exactly what it is, guys. This is pretty cool. Packaged pretty well too. Pretty cool. So he knows I'm in the process of building that other engine. You guys saw the video on that. And he obviously showed me he makes these, but I also, my buddy Justin, who I helped build his motor, he had one, and it was actually really nice. And he sent me one over to use for our build. If I can get the freaking thing open, we can show you guys. Got all the cool stickers on it, which is kind of cool. Well, we got parts in there. Definitely very nicely packaged. So guys, if you need an engine stand, Brian's the guy to talk to. And check it out. It's probably tough for you guys to see. He's got YouTube on there and on one wheel 7 etched in there. 410. Check it out, guys. 410 BGR. Definitely really cool. Oh, I put 510 on there too. That's pretty cool. So let's check out all the parts for this thing. Guys, if you need an engine stand, I want to say these things are right around $100. Extremely affordable, and they're gonna make life a lot easier for us when we get this engine going. So that goes there. Oh, this must go on the other side. So that's that side. This must be the other bracket. Towards the other bracket. I guess we can finally retire all those 2x4s. Yeah, this is sweet. This is definitely sweet, guys. So then you just crank these down to hold it in place. Definitely sweet. All right, guys, check this out. We threw the cases in there. This thing is sweet. Huge thanks to Brian at BGR for sending me this. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna definitely make life a lot easier. We're gonna get these shipped out tomorrow, actually, guys, so we can get going in this build and get you guys some video on that. So check it out. You can tighten everything up. I'll have to get a smaller bolt for that one, but that's just a bolt I had hanging around. But basically, you can turn it. You know, you loosen this up a little bit. You can turn it and then tighten it up, lock it down. So look at that, guys. So we can get it like that. Super easy to work on. You can turn it the other way, flip it around. Definitely gonna make life so much easier. Huge thanks again to Brian, man. I appreciate it. And I will leave his information in the description, guys, if you want one of these. He makes them pretty much for all engines. So if you want one, hit him up and get you guys an engine stand. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little KFX rebuild. We will keep you updated. Fingers crossed. Bill's gonna start it tomorrow. I may be around for that. If I am, I'll probably take a little video of it. Hopefully we fixed his issue. And that's pretty much it, guys. You know the drill. If you're not yet, please subscribe. Smash that like button. And if you got any questions, drop a comment, guys. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.